Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply electronic travel authorization, in other terms ETA, for travel to Kenya. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, more and more countries are migrating towards ETA, e-visas and all. And it's good to have a service like this from Kenya. Now I'm going to apply through it and let's see how it works. So on this government website of Kenya, I click on apply now. So they have given like terms, conditions and other things. You need valid passport, selfie, email address, phone number, departure, accommodation booking, credit card, debit card, and all other means of payment. Of course, your passport validity and all. All right, click on continue. Declaration you can read, you can opt for special offers up to you. Now it's asking for individual or group. I select individual. Then it is asking to select the country where you live and pay taxes, not the country where you are present currently. So I'm just selecting as per me, but you can do it yourself. Okay. Passport information. So I'm gonna upload my passport information. Like it's asking to upload passport document, upload passport page, or you can drag and drop, or you can even use webcam and get a copy of it. Okay, so it's very simple. And I have gone through that screen. It asks you to upload the passport. I uploaded my passport and it was able to read the information and also tell you you can um you can confirm. There's a checkbox if everything is correct. So after that you come here. Now it's asking you to uh, like get a photo. Get a photo for yourself. Get a photo for yourself where it can click a picture webcam. Okay, so it has picked up like a selfie I uploaded. You can use a webcam too. Next is gonna be your contact details, phone number, email, search. Because I selected Canada, it has done for Canada occupation, and then we'll go for next tab. After you update your contact information, it's now gonna ask you for trip information, primary purpose of visit, whatever is applicable in your case. See, you have work, so many other things, study, education, everything. So when you can apply study, work, and other things also. If I apply for study, it's asking the questions where I'm gonna stay, departure details. If I apply for work, medical care, religious visit, arrival date. Okay. Next is gonna be your more info, then custom declaration, and then you can confirm proceed, and from there you can take it up for all your purpose. You can select here ETA. You're going to for tourism, business conference, work, medical care, religious visit, and then your info, more info, it has already collected your email address and phone number and address, and other things that are required as per your purpose are going to be collected, and from there it will ask for the custom declaration, and then from there you can go. You'll select by air, you can select by sea, then it will ask for seaport, land and land border information. In your departure details, it's asking address and other things. You can even add address here also. So that is how it works, guys. I am hopeful you like this video. Let me know what you feel about it. And at the end, after you do confirm and proceed, you're going to pay for it. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.